Hi everyone. So in today's video, we are going to discuss that can we override static methods in Java or not? So answer to this question in simple words is that no, we cannot override static methods in Java. Now let us understand that why we cannot override static methods in Java. Static methods are associated with class. They are not associated with any object of the class that we create. Okay. And the concept of method overriding is based on the object that we create from classes. Okay, so from this statement, we can say that the static methods are not eligible for overriding. Okay, now let's see this with the help of one example. So here I've created two class, one is parent and another one is child, which is extending the parent class. Okay, so in the parent class, we have two methods, that is info. This is an instance method. And then we have display method, which is a static method. Okay. Now in the child class, what I have done is I'm trying to override these two methods. Okay. Info method and display method. Okay. So these are two classes. Now in the main class, what I have done is I've created one object of parent class and one object of child class. Okay, but uh, when I'm creating the object of child class, I'm using the reference of its superclass. Okay, so why I'm using this, we'll get to see in a minute. Okay, here I'm using the p object and calling info method. Okay, and then I'm using the c, that is child object, and calling the info method again. Okay, let's run this program. So you can see that when we use the p object, that is parent object, then we are getting the message as info method is called from parent class. And when we are using the object of child class, then we are getting the message info method is called from child class. Okay, so here you can clearly see that the info method is overridden. Now let's see that what happens in the case of static methods, because we have again called the display method in a similar way. First we have used the object P to call the display method, then we have used the object C to call the display method. Okay, here you can see that we are getting static method display is called from parent class, and again we are getting the same message that static method display is called from parent class. So you can see that when we are calling the static method, it does not depends on the type of the object that we are providing. Okay, it depends on the reference type that we are providing. Okay, here you can see that we have used the reference type as parent when we have created the object for parent class as well as for the child class. That's why static method from the parent class is called. Okay, so in case of static methods, method call is resolved at the compile time because it is based on the reference type that we are giving. Okay, but in method overriding, the method call is dependent on the object that we are providing at the runtime. Okay, that is why method overriding is also known as runtime polymorphism. Okay, now one more important point. Okay, so what happens when we override static methods? Okay, so here you can see that we have created one method display in the parent class, and in the child class we have also declared the same method having same name and same parameters. Okay, here the method is not overridden, but the method is hidden. Okay, we are actually hiding the method, not overriding it. So if I change this parent reference to child and again run this program, so now you can see that we are getting static method display is called from child class. So these were the some important points related to that can we override static methods in Java or not. So if you like the video, then do give a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.